A-Line's patented system creates 3D-based, personalized insole recommendations for cycling shoes to provide optimal foot alignment for your customers, maximizing their comfort and efficiency while pedaling. This innovative, interactive process alleviates discomfort and power loss that is commonly experienced by riders. A-Line's insole assessment is an integral part of the Guru Experience's value proposition, providing a unique, personalized solution that addresses common cycling issues. The Guru A-Line insoles are exclusively available at Guru Experience retailers, providing you with a unique service that can only be found on your shop floor. In addition to including this service as part of your Guru client's overall experience, you can also utilize the integrated A-Line system to drive incremental revenue tied into insole sales.
Hi, I'm Keith with A-Line. Our team has worked with over 100,000 athletes, and we're the lower body alignment specialists. Today, I'm here to show you the A-Line laser body alignment system for cycling. To optimize your position on the bike, you need to think from the bottom up, starting with your feet. A-Line's technology provides a simple, accurate way to gauge body alignment. A-Line's foot suspension is the only system that effectively supports the cyclist's foot through its entire range of motion. We optimize your body's natural geometry, so your energy goes directly to the pedal and you get more power with less fatigue and injury. The fitting process consists of 3 easy steps, and it's as simple as remembering 1, 2, 3. Step 1 is the foot, step 2 is the ankle, step 3 is the knee. In step 1, you'll measure the foot and verify the A-line size. In step 2, you will evaluate the ankle and determine if it is either centered, inside, or outside. And finally, in step 3, you will evaluate the knee and determine if it is centered, inside, or outside. The first thing we need to do is to get the customer on the system. Have them stand on the devices, each foot should be on a device, and make sure their heel is all the way back and centered. The second toe should be placed in the slot on the device to align the feet. Have them balance their weight and bend their knees forward. So step 1 is the foot. Look straight down at their foot. You will see measurements on the device with letters from L to Z. Look at the longest part of their foot and see which letter it corresponds to. If their foot just covers a letter, then their size will be the next letter. For example, if their foot covers the letter L, their A-line size will be an N. Next, step 2 is the ankles. Take a photo of your customer in this position and use the image to show them their current ankle and knee alignment. Zoom in on the ankles and show where their ankle is between the 2 metal posts on each device. Determine if it is centered, inside, or outside. Finally, step 3. Use the image again to show the customer where their knees are in relation to the laser line that is displayed on their leg. Determine if it is centered, inside, or outside. Explain to the customer how their ankle and knee positions can affect their cycling performance and possibility of injury. A body that has poor alignment is easier to injure and robs the cyclist of the forces they are using to drive the bike forward. Now that your customer sees their natural alignment, you can optimize and stabilize them by using the A-Line suspension system. Even customers with natural alignment can benefit from the dynamic support and structures given by the A-Line. Now all we need to do is have the customer stand on the product. Place the suspension system under both feet on each device. Now we go right back to the 1, 2, 3 steps, foot, ankle, and knee. Like before, step 1 is the foot. This time we're going to verify that we've chosen the correct size A-line. Make sure the customer has their heel all the way back on the product and have them lift up their big toe. While the toe is up, look at the side of their toe and find the lowest point under the ball of their big toe. If that lowest point is in the center of the clear window on the suspension system, or slightly to the rear of the window, the size is correct. If the low point is forward of the center point of the window, then you should get the next size up. The customer's toes should never hang off the end of the product. Now that we have the correct size A-line, we need to go on to step 2, the ankles. Have the customer balance their weight and bend their knees the same way they did before. Take another photo with their knees bent. Use the image to show them where their ankle now is between the posts. Let's look at the after. Now look at where your ankle is. Compare the new image to the original to show them the improvement from the original position. Remember, it's about improvement, not perfection. If needed, you can even customize the product for the customer. We'll talk more about that during your training. Okay, now on to step 3, the knees. Use the new photo again to show the location of their knees. Compare the images to show the difference between them without the product and with. Many times the knees will not come automatically back to center, but you will usually see an improvement.
Thanks, Amy.
Explain to them that with their new suspension system and ankle position, their knees will normally start to recenter after a little time. We look forward to meeting you at the Guru Academy and getting you fully up to speed on the system. Thanks for your time, and thanks for partnering with ALINE.